temperatures heading down.
Freezing my tail off.
Well, how do we know it's an ice age?
Because of all the ice!
And the whole world's heading south.
Get off me!
Except 4 misfits going the other way.
I'm not going.
Who are about to discover something that brings them together.
We should return him.
If you're looking for the humans, you're never gonna reach them before the pass closes up with snow.
Now they're looking out for the kid.
From now on, refer to me as Lord of the Flame.
Hey, Lord of the Flame, your tail's on fire.
And everyone else better look out for them.
I actually thought you were gonna eat me.
I don't eat junk food.
Help me. Manny!
Ow!
Captain, iceberg ahead!
This I gotta see.
I'm fine, I'm gonna die. Manny!
Where's the baby? There he is!
Ice Age.